Voyager 1, that spacecraft that decades ago took off from our planet on an almost impossible mission, continues to travel beyond the limits we once thought insurmountable. It has traveled millions and millions of kilometers, crossing regions of space where no other spacecraft has gone before. But today, Voyager 1 has just sent back information that defies everything we thought we knew. At the edge of our solar system, in an area known as the heliopause, Voyager 1 has recorded something scientists are calling an impossible discovery. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 had a clear mission: to explore the outermost planets of our solar system, collect data, and one day perhaps cross that invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After flying over Jupiter and Saturn, sending us unprecedented images and data, Voyager 1 continued its journey into the unknown void. In 2012, it became the first man-made object to officially leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. But now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It has detected something at the edge of our solar system, something scientists never imagined. The heliopause is that boundary that marks the end of our sun's influence. Beyond this barrier, the solar wind vanishes, and the interstellar vacuum takes over. But what does it really mean to cross this boundary? What lurks on the other side? The heliosphere, a protective bubble created by the solar wind, keeps us safe from many dangerous particles coming from the galaxy. But by crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 has been exposed to phenomena that we have never before studied so closely, phenomena that today seem to defy our laws of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 have puzzled scientists. They have detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a kind of vibration in interstellar space that until now had no explanation. This is surprising because, in theory, in that region, the magnetic field should be almost constant. But these changes suggest that there is unknown activity at the edge of the heliopause, something that until now we had no way of detecting. Scientists believe it could be an unknown type of energy, or even an indication that there are forces in deep space that are beyond our current understanding. What is really happening at the edge of our solar system? Some scientists believe that these fluctuations in the magnetic field could be a form of energy that we have never recorded, a type of echo from the deep universe. But the theories get even more puzzling. Could it be that something external is interacting directly with the solar system? We are faced with the possibility that these magnetic vibrations are responses to phenomena outside the solar system. It is as if the very edge of the heliosphere is responding to a push from outer space. The signals are weak but repetitive and present patterns we have not observed before. Another fascinating hypothesis suggests that the heliopause could be being squeezed by some kind of energy stream from the Milky Way or even beyond. These currents could be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars, or perhaps by a much more distant and unexplained phenomenon. If this is true, we would be discovering not only a new physical interaction, but also the possibility that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this phenomenon is not just a finding, but a real wake-up call. Voyager may first be discovering an energy grid or something similar at the edge of our solar system. If these energy streams exist, we are seeing for the first time how the solar system connects to the galaxy on a scale we had not anticipated. This would radically change our understanding of energy in the universe. Imagine that these forces or energy currents create invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, allowing energetic communication between different points in the galaxy. If true, we could be on the verge of discovering a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and connects the entire galaxy in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been, without a doubt, a journey of no return into the unknown. With every signal it sends, it reminds us how little we know about the limits of our own system. And although its instruments were designed in the 1970s, their value in space exploration has exceeded all expectations. Voyager 1's technology is antiquated compared to what we have today, but it remains our best tool at the frontier of the solar system. It is recording phenomena that we had not even anticipated when it was launched, and it remains our only witness in that remote region. Despite being more than 23 billion kilometers away from us, Voyager 1 continues to send back priceless data. Every little signal we receive is like a distant call from a cosmic frontier. Voyager 1's discoveries drive us to continue exploring, to create spacecraft capable of going even further, and to understand the secrets of the universe. As Voyager shows us the way, humanity prepares to take the next step in interstellar exploration. With each piece of data Voyager 1 sends back, we get a little closer to the time when humans too can cross that frontier. Maybe someday we'll make it across the heliopause and discover what's really beyond the edge of the solar system. And not to be missed is a comment from Elon Musk, one of the most influential visionaries in the field of space technology. Elon has closely followed the Voyager 1 breakthroughs and discoveries, and in his own words, this discovery represents a wake-up call for humanity. Musk has expressed that this voyage data could accelerate our efforts to develop interstellar spacecraft capable of overcoming the current limitations of space technology. In his plans with SpaceX, Elon Musk has always had his sights set on deep space, and these discoveries not only inspire him, but motivate him to develop new technologies to travel even further. Could the information provided by Voyager 1 be the spark that ignites a new era of interstellar exploration? According to Musk, the recent discovery proves that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled, and that we must prepare to explore them. This discovery also raises a question that has intrigued humankind forever. Could life exist beyond our solar system? This question has intrigued humanity for centuries, inspiring countless scientific inquiries, philosophical debates, and science fiction stories. As we expand our understanding of the cosmos, the possibility of extraterrestrial life becomes more compelling. If forces at the edge of the heliosphere are interacting with interstellar space, is it possible that we are looking at a sign of activity somewhere nearby? What if these unexplained fluctuations in the magnetic field or energy patterns detected by Voyager 1 are not just random cosmic phenomena, but clues pointing towards something much more profound, perhaps even an indication of life or intelligence beyond Earth? The vastness of space suggests that life, in some form, could exist beyond our planet, whether it be microbial organisms in the subsurface oceans of distant moons or advanced civilizations capable of harnessing cosmic energy. We cannot rule out the possibility of unknown life forms or biological phenomena interacting with solar system structures in a way we do not yet understand. The universe is filled with extreme environments: boiling acid clouds on Venus, methane lakes on Titan, frozen wastelands on Europa. Yet life on Earth has shown an extraordinary ability to adapt to harsh conditions. Could it be that life elsewhere has evolved under circumstances we can barely imagine? What if some extraterrestrial beings or microbial ecosystems thrive in conditions beyond our current biological comprehension? Perhaps, in the deep reaches of interstellar space, life has found a way to survive in ways that defy our existing models of biology and evolution. If Voyager 1's discoveries hint at unknown interactions at the edge of our solar system, then we may be on the verge of one of the most groundbreaking revelations in human history. Although it may sound like science fiction, every discovery brings us a little closer to understanding whether we are really alone in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial life is no longer limited to speculative thought. It is now a major area of scientific exploration, supported by missions to Mars, Europa, Enceladus, and beyond. Researchers analyze exoplanets in the habitable zones of distant stars, looking for biosignatures, chemical traces in planetary atmospheres that could indicate the presence of life. If Voyager 1's data reveals unexpected patterns or signals, could it be that we are receiving whispers from another world, a distant civilization, or an unknown form of cosmic intelligence? The idea may seem far-fetched, but throughout history, many once unbelievable theories have turned out to be true. Every piece of data, every signal that Voyager 1 sends from so far away, is one more piece in the puzzle. The more we explore, the more we realize how little we know about the vastness of space and the potential for life beyond our own world. Perhaps in the future, these data will help us discover signs of life in interstellar space. Whether it is microbial life hiding beneath the ice of a distant moon, complex organisms in the atmosphere of an exoplanet, or even signals from an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization, the implications would be profound. Finding life beyond Earth would not only change our scientific understanding, but also redefine our place in the universe. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries that no other man-made object has ever reached. It has traveled farther than any other human creation, reaching the very outskirts of our solar system and venturing into the unknown. It has taught us how vast and mysterious the universe is, and although its journey has its days numbered, the questions it leaves behind will continue to resonate in science and in our hearts. Its mission has paved the way for future explorations, inspiring scientists and dreamers alike to push the limits of what is possible. We live on a small planet on the edge of an infinite galaxy, and now, thanks to Voyager 1, we know that there are forces beyond our comprehension. If such forces exist, could they be connected to life in some way? Could there be entire ecosystems or intelligent beings hidden beyond the heliopause, waiting to be discovered? What else awaits us out there? This is a question that will continue to drive scientific exploration for generations to come. Voyager 1 reminds us that exploration never ends, that the next great discovery is always just beyond, waiting to be found. It is a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and the desire to understand the cosmos. The more we explore, the closer we get to uncovering the fundamental truths about our existence and the universe we inhabit. If we have already come this far, imagine what future missions could reveal. The search for extraterrestrial life is no longer just a dream. It is a real, ongoing scientific endeavor with the potential to change the course of human history. If you want to continue exploring the cosmos with us, subscribe and turn on the little bell. More impossible discoveries await us, and we want you to be part of them. The universe is vast, full of mysteries, and waiting to be explored. Together, we will continue our journey into the unknown, seeking answers to the most profound questions of existence.